Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook dating. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook dating, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will click force stop. After that you will go to click storage. Sorry for that, you will go to apps. Then here you will go to click force Facebook and force stop and storage. After that you will click clear cache and then you will go to click clear data. So then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.